What up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin has been pumping today. We talked about this. We talked about this for a couple weeks, talking about how the last few weeks of October is usually the bullish time for Bitcoin. So now it looks like it may be playing out. And we also talked about that 200-day SMA needing to be broken and needed to be broken decisively. So we have done that. We have went up to about 66k, which is the top of this downward sloping trend line, the resistance that we need to break next. So we're going to look into that. We're going to talk about some politics, some crypto and some politics. We got a new initiative from Kamala Harris looks like she's kind of opening up to crypto, or is she just trying to get some votes, some last minute votes? So we're going to talk about it, but let's jump right into Bitcoin TA. Right now, like I said, Bitcoin is sitting at about 66k, 65,953 right now. So we're coming down. Let's do this. We're coming down from this downtrend that we've been in. I mean, we've been in this since the top of the market. This was the top of the market in March. Came back up, came back up, came back up, came back up, but we never seem to break this level here. So we need to come up to about this $67,752 level, give or take. Break that. Let's actually draw it out so we can get a better view of what we need to do. I want to see us break above here because we're going to have to draw a line. It's going to be a break above here. Hold that, and then we can continue our ascension back up to that 72, 73k area. But I am seeing a little bit of resistance coming in right here. Let's actually draw this line out right there. So hopefully we can even if we do get a pullback, I'll be looking at us to possibly and potentially range between this area that we are in right now, between 66.4 and down to about 64.7. So if we can stay in between that range, number one, that'll be a nice close tight knit range that we need to stay in, that we've been looking at for a while now, since like May, since early May, June, July, we came and retested this area again. So the 67, the 64,782, $64,800 level is very, very, very important level that I want to see us hold if we do get some sort of pullback. Because today was a massive day. We were up like almost 5% today. Woke up this morning, we were up at like 62, 63, and then I woke up again, we were at like 64, and then we got up to like 66, 66.3. So I was very excited about this move, man. And I've been talking about it. If you've been watching my videos, I've been talking about how, number one, we got to break the 200 and we got to just go blast through hard. We got to blast through hard. And I was also talking about how the last two Octobers are usually bullish. So we got to see how this plays out. I'm really bullish going into the election. I don't think we're going to get any type of huge market corrections going into the election. After the election, like I always say, we'll have to watch out. But going into the election, I'm very, very, very bullish. So we'll have to see what happens with that. So ultimately, I'm trying to break above this $67,700 level, hold that, and then we can start talking about all-time highs again, getting up to that 72, 73k level for Bitcoin again. So I'm excited, man. I hope everybody's excited. I hope everybody's been staying in tune to the market, man, because once it starts moving, it moves fast. It moves very fast. So this is good to see. This is very good to see, man. So the rest of the market did go up, but we're not going to talk about altcoins today. We're going to talk about that in a separate video. What I did want to talk about is Kamala Harris. So she did come out with some sort of crypto proposal today. She also talked about the marijuana, and she talked crypto business, like I said. So I'm actually on USA Today. So this is she came out. She proposed a suite of economic policies aimed at appealing to Black men. So I'm guessing, this is just me guessing, using my critical thinking, using my not using the sheep mind. I'm like, okay, why is she now starting to just appeal to Black men? Are we only, you want to appeal to us for marijuana and crypto? Like, okay, I'm a little insulted, but I don't know how I want to take this yet. But it does say that she is trying to ease up a little bit on the marijuana thing, and then she's talking about the crypto thing. She wants Black men to be more into crypto. So let's see what she's talking about. So let's switch over to MSN.com. So it says this is a little bit better. Give me a little bit more in-depth overview of what's going on. It says Democratic presidential nominee Kamala Harris is vowing to craft cryptocurrency regulations to protect Black men and bolster their economic security after polls indicate a growing number of Black male voters are looking to side with Donald Trump. So I don't know how she's going to do this. I don't know how. It says she's going to unveil a new set of economic pledges to Black men, promise to enact the country's first cryptocurrency legal framework, a move that represents long demanded requests from the digital asset community. So I don't know what this has to do with Black men. I don't know if this is something that, her people have told her, like, yeah, a lot of Black men are into crypto. So maybe if you warm up to crypto, you can get more of the Black vote, since the Black man vote, because a lot of the Black men voters going over to the other side. This is not a political channel. I'm not leaning left. I'm not leaning right. I'm just telling you what's going on, and I'm telling you my point of view. And from my point of view as a Black man, I think this is just a political ploy, a political plot in order to garner votes. I don't think nothing's going to come out of this. If she does win, she's probably just never going to talk about it again. They're probably going to just keep regulating crypto the worst way possible, like they've been doing. So that's just my 2 cents. But I'm only one man, and a lot of people might like it. A lot of people, it might sound good to them. So, to each his own. But like I said, I think it's just a political ploy to, try to stop the bleeding from, losing the Black male vote, so to say. So, good luck with that, man. But like I said, the markets are continuing to pump. The markets do look primed and ready to for another leg up. So I hate when this happens, because I didn't even trade today. I had other things to do. I had another big meeting going on, so didn't get a chance to trade this today. But I am going to look for this move here. I'll look for this move up to about we'll say 67K. Hold that as support, and maybe hit our way back up to about the $68,700 level, just for a nice little play, and then hopefully we can just get above here and just continue. So this is my next trade. This is my next big trade that I'll be looking for Bitcoin, is for us to break this downward sloping trend line from the top of the market, hold that as support, and then get that retest, and then we can continue our way up to all-time high. So that's just what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Hopefully it all plays out. Hopefully everything comes to fruition this way, and hopefully everybody's positioned the right way. Like I said, I've been talking about this move for probably the last month. I've been saying, these past couple weeks leading into this weekend, I made a video talking about how Bitcoin usually moves the last couple weeks of October. Now it's starting to play out. So hopefully you listened. Hopefully you're liked. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you hit all bell notifications to know when I drop time sensitive information, because the crypto market moves, and when it moves fast. So you have to be in tune to what's going on. So this is FD White, just quick update. Appreciate everybody for watching. We will come back tonight with Crypto Nightcap over at Piper Academy with me and TradeFly, and be looking out for a slew of guests and a slew of new content, different content creators coming on the channel this week and next week. We got a lot in store. So thank you for watching. I will talk to you in a minute. Peace.